My budgie is showing tantrums. Chi-Chi is showing tantrums. Watch what she's going to do. And she's going to go ahead and drop. There. Now she's going to pick up another slice of apple. I'm sure she will, because there is another one in there. Wait for it. I give her a nest, and she's picking up the food. She loves apple, but when she shows tantrums, she just tosses out apples. See? Ready? Now she's going to toss it out again. Wait for it. Wait for it. There. You see that? See what she did? Chi-Chi, why did you do that? Why? She's going back in, picking up another one, and now she's mad. There we go. There. You see that? See what she did? And I still love her. Why did you do that, Chi-Chi? Why? I don't get it.